Much respect, big up, and thank you for stopping by the channel. And I know I promised you guys I would show you how to do 3D models. So today, I'm gonna show you how to make a metahuman 3D model that you can put in a 3D environment, you can rig, and you can animate. It's gonna be very easy to do, very beginner friendly, and most importantly, at least for me, it's free. Okay, so you're gonna know how to do this for free. If you have never animated anything before or done any graphic designing, that's okay, because you can still do what I'm about to show you. So what you're gonna want to do, first thing is go to Avatar SDK. I'm not gonna go to demo, I'm just gonna go to Avatar SDK, see what comes up. All right, here we are. It's gonna say to sign up. Link in description, by the way. The link will be in the description. So I'm actually not gonna click any of this stuff. I'm just gonna create a meta person. Yeah, so meta person avatars, here we are. Okay, so you can browse for photo, and I have photos that I could use, but instead of that, we're gonna actually create our own photo right now. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do that as well. So we're gonna go to leonardo.ai, link in the description as well. Image generation, and we're gonna get started. So what I'm gonna do here is, see how it says cinematic kino? I'm gonna leave it there because it's generating at 14 credits. In the beginning you have 150. As you can see, I already used a bunch of mine. So what I typed in to get this image, which we are going to use, is 3D render hyper realistic front facing headshot of an African American teenage boy with short brown hair and speckles. That gave me these images, which I'm gonna use for my metaverse character. These ones didn't come out that great. I'm not sure why. I think because I was using the Leonardo Phoenix, which actually cost me more credits and did not give me the results I wanted. So you guys can play around with that. So this Leonardo Phoenix can be found over here in the presets, right? Here it is. So I use this one, cinematic kino or kino. Not sure how to pronounce it. Either way. So I'm gonna choose this character right here. I'll go to download image, boom. So going back over to Avatar SDK, it's gonna say browse photo, right? We're gonna browse photo. Here is our image, open. Now you will choose on the right panel over here, what gender. This one says don't specify, but we're specifying because we want it to look like this as much as possible. Male. I want you guys to pay attention how lifelike this will be. And you can change the age here as well, right? So it's 16 plus. That's pretty much what this character looks like. I could go 12 to 16, but I'm gonna leave it like this, generate, and yeah, I'll see you guys soon.
A few long minutes later.
Okay, so after about a few minutes, I'm gonna say about maybe 2.5 minutes, maybe. It's 2 minutes. Our image has come out here, and it looks great. See? Now let's go back to the reference image to see how much this 3D image, look at this, it's 3D. I can't make this up. This is a 3-dimensional image. What's important about 3D? Well, video games, 3D printing, animation, so much other stuff. I mean, virtual reality. Yeah, so it's 3D. It's not 2D. It's not flat. It's 3-dimensional. All right, you guys get the picture. So let's go back over here and look. This is our image. This is our image. It looks like the same thing. Perfect. I love it. And here's another thing that's very important about doing this. This character now can be used over and over and over in different scenes, the exact same character. It's not like AI, right? Where it's hard to get a consistent character because every time you regenerate an image, even if you use the exact same prompt, the character looks different. Example, right here. Exact same prompt gave me these 4 different looking characters. Now, so if I wanted this guy and I was to do this prompt again, it won't look exactly like him. It might even look like this. Now, by using Avatar SDK, we have this character and we can keep using him over and over and over. So let's just do a little bit of adjustment over here, okay? All these things were like all the way up. So we're gonna control this by putting these kind of in the middle. And I said I would do this quick, so I'm not gonna spend too much time. Let's make the jawline go a little bit. Blah blah blah. I'm just gonna randomly. I'm gonna freestyle this. Yeah, okay. I'm not going too hard with this. You can also, there's so much stuff. You can do the nose and lips and really customize this. So you guys can go ahead and play around with this. I hope you guys are starting to have ideas as I'm showing you this, what you can actually do with a character like this. Now here you go. We'll put on glasses. And these glasses, even though I put it on right here, when I put this into my Blender 3D program, which this will go into, we can take these glasses off of the character. Not all the accessory, not all the clothing, but the clothing, we can change its color and do so much things. We can make this shirt look like it's brick. We can make this shirt look like it's feathers or hairy, anything, any kind of crazy thing we do. I will be making videos to show you guys how to do that in Blender, the program that we will run this through. So I'm just gonna quickly design this guy, show you guys what's going on. All right, after my, I believe my second or third attempt, yeah, that's not really working, so we're gonna keep it moving. I'm gonna just do this the regular way, I guess. There's the settings here where you can change these colors to whatever you want, with that being the shirt, and I wanted him to be wearing blue jeans, and I want him to wear white shoes. We'll go with some white shoes. There you go. And this is pretty much perfect. He also has glasses, which I already put on him. So this is pretty much my character, and after, if you want to download the character, like I said, you can mess around with more settings here. It's eye color and all this other stuff. What's this? I'm pretty sure some kind of form of animations. Yep, it's showing right here that he can be animated doing different things. We're not gonna mess with that right now because it's time to export this bad boy. So they want my email, of course they do. Put in your email here. Go to my Gmail, get the code quickly. Control C to copy, Control V to paste. And we're going to confirm this. Confirm. So now it's going to be exporting my character. Amazing. Amazing, isn't it? Now that this is, look, it's already started. It's downloading. It's going to different places. It turns into a zip file. So let's go to our downloads. So here it is. I'm going to create a new folder. And I'm going to call this guy, this is my character. What was his name again? Lanny. What's his name? Lanny? Jordan, that's his name. So Jordan, this is Jordan's avatar. I'm gonna put that in there, just so it's a little bit more controlled, you know what I mean? Then you're gonna right click, extract here. If you don't have the same program I'm using, this is WinRAR, but there's also WinZip and zip file and different names. It's just basically unzipper to unzip folders for you, so, or to extract folders. So after extraction, here's my folder avatar. Here is my model. All right, and this is another web-based program, and we're going to go to mixamo.com. Okay, link in description. Now you can sign up for free. I'm just gonna go log in because I already have an account. Continue with my Google. Bomb, and here we are. Now it's gonna probably show the last character that I did upload here. Doesn't look like it remembers me, so we're gonna go here. Let me slow this down. Sorry guys, where's my manners? Basically, you go to upload character, select character file, or drop it, drag and drop. I just went to select it, and now look for the character we just made, the Jordan, you know, or whatever you named your character that we just created in Avatar SDK. I go to Avatar. Here he is. Open. There we go, folks. Yeah, this is free. This is how easy it's gonna be. And I know some people probably like, what's the big deal? What am I gonna do? Well, if you don't know what you're gonna do yet, don't worry. I'm gonna show you what you can do. Yeah, and you guys stay notified. You know what I mean? Have the notification bells on. If you like this type of stuff, subscribe to the channel. If you like the video, give me a like. Negative feedback is sometimes better than no feedback. If that makes any sense. Yeah, it makes sense to me. All right, here we have it, folks. This is our character. We uploaded our character into Mixamo. We got Jordan. There's different poses you can give him, but over here in the left search bar, I typed in sitting down because I just want him to be sitting down over here. We're not going to mess around with his arm spacing or overdrive or anything like that. You could if you want, but I don't really do it too much in here. Okay, so now that he's ready to go, go to download, FBX with skin, 30 frames per second. I don't touch any of this stuff. That's all you gotta know. Let's go, download that. So here we go, we got it. Now that that's there, right? Open up your Blender program. Open your Blender 3D program. We're gonna get this popping. We're not playing. So I'm gonna go to my search bar, find Blender 4.2, whatever. There you go. Now, go to General, X on keyboard, delete. Now what you're gonna wanna do is File, at the top, left corner, import. It was an FBX file, right? So you're gonna go to File, Import, FBX, wherever you had it. I put mine in downloads. So here it is, male sitting pose. So import FBX, give it a second. There you go. Are they silly or are they silly? We're here now. All right, so there you go. Now, when it's gonna look like this, and you're gonna be like, that's interesting, right? All you have to do is up here, the top right, these are your viewports. This is a render, this is solid mode, this is material mode. I explained this in my earlier video, but I'm gonna explain it again. So once you put in material mode, you notice it loads in how it's gonna look. Now if I go to render, it's not gonna look like this, because render mode, I don't have any lights. So it's dark, right? But this is how it would look if I was to render it correctly. This is awesome. Let's go. Let's look at this. Detailed, really nice, right? So let's just say I want to, and remember, you can use your own picture to do this whole process. So let's just say I want to change the size of the nose. Remember I said you can like basically change stuff? So watch. See that? The nose starts to become longer. Now, when you play these brushes, you can do a lot of stuff. That does not look good. It looks like I just deformed his nose. But that's because I'm just explaining to you guys quickly what I do and how to do it. See, there you go. I can make his jaw look mashed there. Anyways, Control Z, take it all back. All right, there you go. So that's it. Now, let's just say I want him to be sitting on something. What I could easily do is add mesh cube, right? With the cube selected, you'll press S for size, then use your mouse to basically just slide it to the size you want. Then you'd want to check this out, make sure it's good. Then you press G, Z to raise it up, and I can just keep sizing it down until it makes sense. G, Y, Z, sorry. Then you can just size it till it makes sense. So there you go. That would kind of make sense. I mean, I can go a little crazier, but look, he's sitting on a cube, and as you can quickly see, I did just put this model in here where it's sitting on there. That means you can put chairs, you can put your character in a room, a city, restaurant, wherever you want to do. The possibilities is pretty much endless. Once you can think of it, you can pretty much do it. Follow my channel because I will show you how you can do it. Anyways, much respect for coming through. Much respect for stopping by. I appreciate you, and I hope this helped you out. Once again, if this did help you out, hit a like. If you want to see more, hit subscribe and put the notification bells on. Peace.